two eggs in the
Two
microwave.
eggs in the microwave.
Put an egg in the microwave for a minute, it explodes. Yeah, you probably all know that. But we need to put these in there for 2 minutes. And there's 2 of them. Freaking fun.
I'm probably gonna jump whenever this happens. I don't know why. I'm just gonna it's gonna happen.
It's gonna happen. Sex with Kobe Bryant. You can kick and scream all you want, but it's
gonna
gonna happen. Yeah.
You can kick and scream all you want, but it's gonna happen.
Oh,
shit.
It's a few seconds away. It's gonna do it here.
What the hell?
It'll get it. Yeah.
There's one.
Oh, good.
That was freaking bad.
Holy shit.
Dude, what do I go? Look at this one.